Nested for loop in while loop. We can write nested for loop in while loop. Syntax is initialization, press enter, while space, condition colon, press enter. It automatically takes indentation, hash, while loop block of code, press enter, for space, variable space, in space, iterable colon, press enter. It automatically takes indentation, hash, for loop block of code, press enter, press backspace in keyboard, updation. Let's take one example. Count equal to 1, while space, count less than 3 colon, press enter. It automatically takes indentation, print off, within double quotes, outer while loop, comma, count, press enter, for space, I space, in space, range of 1, comma 3, colon, press enter. It automatically takes indentation, print off, within double quotes, inner for loop, comma, I, press enter, press backspace in keyboard, count equal to, count plus 1, press enter, press backspace in keyboard, print off, within double quotes, end. Let's run it. See, the output is outer while loop 1, inner for loop 1, inner for loop 2, outer while loop 2, inner for loop 1, inner for loop 2, end. Let's discuss step by step. Here count variable stores the value 1. Next, it checks the while condition, that is 1 less than 3. Yes, condition is true. So it executed next lines of inside while loop. First, it executed print function, that is outer while loop 1, which is printed in output. Next, it executed nested for loop. It executed print function for 2 times, that is inner for loop 1, inner for loop 2. Remember, stop value 3 is not included. Next, it exits out from nested for loop. Then, it updates the count value from 1 to 2. Next, it checks while condition, that is 2 less than 3. Yes, condition is true, so it executed next lines of inside while loop. First, it executed print function, that is outer while loop 2, which is printed in output. Next, it executed nested for loop. It executed print function for 2 times, that is inner for loop 1, inner for loop 2. Remember, stop value 3 is not included. Next, it exits out from nested for loop. Then it updates the count value from 2 to 3. Next, it checks while condition, that is 3 less than 3. No, condition is false. It exits out from while loop. Next, it executed print function, that is end, which is printed in output. You can write more than one nested for loops inside a while loop. Syntax is depending on the problem, you have to write your own nested for loops in while loop.